Look at the state of that. That's one hell of a fat rash. Well, actually, it's not really a fat rash. It's from my friend, Mr. Machette. And Mr. Machette is going back there because we've just been shaking it around in the bushes over here, trying to fill in the swamp that's stopping us from getting to the lake. Now we're going to have a go at getting to the lake. So I'll just hand you over to my charming assistant. And let's see if we can get to the lake. Tell you how. I think you'll find the camera's going to shake around a bit for the next minute and a half. This is the good bit. Right, you ready? Here we go. You can hear the kids screaming. Where are they? Jesus, look at the state of this. Oh, that's that bit. Right. Now here comes the pit of doom. You ready? You're going to have to go full speed so we don't get stuck in it again. Yes! Oh no. Hey. Thank you, ladies.
Dog.
Get out of the way, that wet dog. Oh my god, where's this lot come from? This is not the bunch of kids we were going to play with. Ready? We're nearly there. There you are.
Yeah. Say yeah.
We've made it! Beep beep! Beep 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 beep!
ลบ
Quick! เอาสิวะ
ลบเดี๋ยว
Yay! Good kids. Right, turn that off then, love, because we've made it.